Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys read down below, I'm going to be doing a prank video on my mother. Now, a lot of people when I post on Instagram like YouTube suggestions, they're always like, prank your mom, prank your mom, prank your mom. So today I'm pranking my mother. So that part. Anyways, I got some tattoos, right? You see it? That part. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. If you want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment done when you're done, and you'll stand a chance of getting a shout out in one of my videos. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. So as I said, I got some tattoos. I got these from Shein. I have these and then these and then these, and they look so real. I actually have one on, but yeah, they look real. And I already brought my friends. They believe I had a tattoo. Like stupid. I'm going to do this big one right here. I don't know where I'm going to put it though. That's the thing. I definitely know she's going to sit right there. I don't want to waste my time. Last time I did the hickey prank, she took forever to see it. So it's like, I'm going to put two tattoos there, but I'm going to put this here and then I'm going to put like the words below it. So like it means something. I don't even know what the words say at this point, but it doesn't even matter. So I got to make sure it's aligned properly. Should I put it here? I'm asking you guys like you guys are like, you can answer me. Well, should I put it here or here though? That's the thing. And you just place the wet rag or towel, whatever, for 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm bad, you're nothing. I'm bad and you're nothing.
You're nothing, you're nothing. I'm bad, you're nothing.
Alright, so this is the tattoo, obviously. You see it. I wanted this to come up like closer underneath it, but whatever. And this looks so real, but like I think when people get real tattoos, like the skin swell up. So I don't know. I'm trying to. Oh.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm going to set up the camera and I'll be back when my mother is here.
This is the view that you guys are getting. This is what's on the camera, and she's coming to us there in a minute now. So let's get into it.
Very. You ever eat chicken and green peas?
No.
Like stewed chicken and green peas?
No.
You don't want to
Stewed chicken.
No.
No.
It's discovery already. We don't have piece more chicken. I'm not eating now. Nico!
So it goes so far.
You know.
You want to do a TikTok with me?
Nope.
You want to do a TikTok with me?
Well, look here, I don't need for that to the teeth now. Mister, you eat bread there now?
Yeah.
Them gone? You finished?
Yeah.
Here, she's a Tweety bird. Tweety bird? It a grow back at you, brush it in. Tweety bird.
Okay.
Them confused with this, eh? They never met she said she in a one. Remember I never would she go back in there with them the teeth wheel off her car. And they said them this said she live. Sitting for quick time, is that okay?
No, not the bar, the coffee shop.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, we can wait next door. That's my old hair
So
salon.
I'm money at the bus now.
You can get drinks there too.
She left everybody else and come sit on the side.
She sing?
And then turn her back to me.
What you turn her back for?
No, you don't know because of Corona.
And why she comes to us
You know that me say? Leave everybody.
That is funny. I don't know, with a room full of women laughing funny.
Irina, no. Bill is a friend of mine and we're just getting time before an appointment. I hate to ask Gloria, but my new girl hasn't shown up. Any chance you could help?
We got double sinks. What's the nozzle set?
Not to sound too braggy.
Auntie, what's the-
child. Anyways, so.
Auntie, what was the nozzle?
Can I show this to me?
Something I'm going in there.
Get your belly. Stop now.
This is that possible?
Okay.
So, and that hurt me, see?
Liana. Liana.
And
Is
that
it
hurt
possible?
me.
You can look on your belly.
Remember, and that hurt me.
Where next for then?
It there, this one.
In that one.
No, this it did.
No, I'm saying next phone. Where next phone then?
Yo, good job, Ronessa.
No man. That take me. Where's the other phone? I'm not in the mood. You go record yourself like a physically abused.
Okay.
It is in there. Or the jump on their back.
You're not part with your phone.
Some phone I'm use.
You're not going to part with any of your phone. You love Shua. Oh, my two friends. One for the chicken, one for the That's why you call me and ask me every day.
No.
Not a bum. Yeah. I'm gonna take you like a buy, you're gonna make cake.
Watch out. I guess so. I guess so.
But you make it work in a kind of cry. See there? Let me see. How are you doing? What is? No, what is? Are you that tattoo you really get? Okay, foolish tattoo. Yeah, you did, Lena? Lena, look here. If you got dead, right? You know, best thing maybe put one tattoo will make sense. Eh? Like one will say, your date of birth and your date of death. Eh? You are got dead. Are you? What are they? You know, so them have some be disappointed in a way. You know, what does this say?
It's a pretty girl.
No, this is a A. So
It's
definitely.
a pretty girl.
I want Liana. Liana can't come off.
Can you be doing this way?
What?
Pretty darling.
Liana, you really got a tattoo?
Pretty darling. I should have with soda. Get on the ground, like.
Let me see something. Let me see now. Liana, be disappointed in you. Look, girl, you have to do better. What the hell when your father you say you get them a tattoo, yeah? It's a either tattoo, yeah, when it not even make no sense. No, you know me why me no say either tattoo, you never have it on yesterday. Go girl. Come better than that.
So, you never see.
No, Liana, I have a tattoo. I know when it's a either tattoo. You see my tattoo? You see afterward it is red.
I could have different ink.
No, I'm you lighter than me.
A different ink.
What kind of
Stupid.
ink? Play ink?
A different ink.
Papa Bear's ink. I must some cartoon ink. Eh? You Liana, you really around with your life in? No, talk it true. Suppose I was a violent mother.
Suppose.
What me suppose? Eh? You did it over there, so but you see why? But me think it out. Me realize that no man, you couldn't put on a tattoo today because it would have been.
Yeah, the girl like, "Ugh! You in my business? Don't do that."
Are you got to know? You got to be careful, man.
Get on the ground like, "Ugh." Anyways, she found the camera. Now we're gonna move this.
Guys, if you end this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. Turn on post notification if you want a shout out and comment done when you're done. And yeah, see you guys next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.